Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing 2023. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now go to your profile on the bottom right. Now tap on the three dots on the top right. After this, select your activity. Here, tap on Recent Searches. So you can clear all at once by tapping on Clear All button. You can also do this by selecting the search icon from the bottom menu bar. Now from your home page, go to Settings. Scroll down and select Help. From the pages that opens, select Report a Problem. Tap on Include and Continue. Here, you need to describe your issue in the box. You can write it the same way as me, or you can write it in your own words. Select Send. And that's it. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.